She's complaining in a long question about her OCD. And she says that everything in my house is najis. My mom mopped an impurity, now it's all over the place. And I can see it on the walls. I can feel that it is in people's hands. Whenever their hands are moist, then definitely it's najis. My clothes, my body, my hair. Warda, with this trajectory, you will end up committing suicide or burning your house to the ground. Shaitan is messing with your head big time. Islam is a religion of ease. Now, is it possible that 2 billion Muslims living on earth, you're the only one chosen to have this care and being afraid and protective from najasa, from impurity? Are you the chosen one? This is unbelievable. It can't be that you're the only one among these 2 billion Muslims who care about their prayer, about their najasa, about their grave, about hellfire, that you are the only chosen one. By whom? By Shaitan. He's the one who's messing up with your head. So making difficult things, making easy things difficult is a piece of cake for him. He knows how to mess up with your mind. He knows how to make you want to believe that everything is najis. So if I were to think like you, this is najis because probably one of my grandchildren urinated on it. I'm smelling it, it smells good, it's perfumed. Yeah, but maybe I cannot see it, maybe. And I always tell those I do counseling sessions with, you want to adhere to Sharia or you want to adhere to your whims and desires? Immediately, 100% of them say, we would like to adhere to the Sharia. Liars. Because at the end of the day, you say, oh yes, I believe what you say, Sheikh, everything is logical, everything is according to Sharia. But, once you say but, you want to adhere to your whims and desires. You feel happy when your parents have pity on you and they're saddened by you. You feel happy when your cousins and uncles look at you and say, poor thing, she's suffering OCD, she's mentally sick. You feel powered by their pity. This is why you don't want to fight it. Because it's illogical. This is not coronavirus. This is not the plague that can spread on the walls and the ceilings and everywhere out of one single drop of najasa. Are you crazy? Sharia tells us if someone urinated, a man, a grown-up man urinated, all what you have to do is just pour a bucket of water. The water would overwhelm the najasa, it's gone. But Sheikh, it's not gone, it's there, it's mixed, it's gone. But you insist. Do you want to follow Sharia or your whims and desires? You're listening to Shaitan. You're opening the door for a burglar to come into your home. You lock the home from inside and you say, excuse me, thief, don't steal anything, please. Do you think he's not going to steal anything? You're opening your head to Shaitan's whispers and you're listening and you're implementing whatever he tells you. So you want to follow Sharia or your whims and desires? You tell me.